students, welcome back to math class. Today I am going to show you the exercise 2.5. In this 2.5 you are going to learn about how to write the rupees in the decimals and how to write the meters and kilometers in centimeters and kgs, and by all these things what you are going to write means you are using the decimal points. Okay, where to use and how to use, how to write the decimals, all these things you are going to learn in this class. Okay, first of all, you all know the place values, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that. And then you have learned that the values, place values of the decimals also, that is tenth, hundredth, thousands, like this. That means if I write here 253.147, I am giving you the example. That means 3 is in the ones place, that you all know. 5 is in the tens place. 2 is in the hundredth place. Next, what is 147? What is the place value of these numbers? That is 7 is in the thousandth place. 4 is in the hundredth place. 1 is in the tenth place. That means this one is tenths, that is 1 by 10. 4, that is hundredths, 1 by 100. 7, that is in the thousands, that is 1 by 1000. I hope that you have remembered what I taught you in your previous classes, isn't it? Now I will move to the problems. That is, first main, which is greater. That means you have to write the number which is greater. First one, what they have given, 0.5 or 0.05. That means first you compare the ones place value, that is here 0, here also 0. Then no need to compare that one because that is 0, 0. Both are equal. Then here it is in the tenths place, tenths. Then you compare, here 5, here 0. Then you come to know which one is the greater. That is 5 is the greater. Then 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Okay. Next, second one I will show you, 0.7 or 0.5. Here the same thing, 0, 0. Leave that one. 7, 5. Which is greater? 7 is greater. Andre ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮಾ, ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಲಾ, ಗ್ರೇಟರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ತ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಥೌಸಂಡ್ತ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ 7 ಆರ್ 0.7. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್? 7 is the greater. 7 is greater than 0.7. Okay. Next, I will show you one more, that is 1.37 or 1.49. Here, ones place values are same, 1, 1. Okay, next move to the next digit, 3, 4. Which one is greater? 4 is greater. Then 1.37 is less than 1.49. Artha aitalva makla? Next, second one, express as rupees using decimals. That is first one, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 7 ಪೈಸೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ 1 rupee is equal to how many ಪೈಸೆ? That is 100 ಪೈಸೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 rupee is equal to 100 ಪೈಸೆ. Then we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 ಪೈಸೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 7 ಪೈಸೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ದೆನ್ 1 ಪೈಸೆ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by 100. 1 ಪೈಸೆನ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 1 by 100 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 7 ಪೈಸೆ? 7 ಪೈಸೆ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 by 100. ದೆನ್ 7 by 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 0.07. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0.07 rupees. Understood? Next, I will show one more thing. second one 7 rupees 7 paise. Then 7 rupees you keep as it is, that is we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then 7 rupee is equal to 700 paise. Okay. Next 7 paise, how you will write? As I showed in the previous one, that is which is equal to 0.07. Then 7 rupee 7 paise is equal to 7 plus 0.07, which is equal to 7.07 rupees. Understood, children? Next, I will move to the next main, that is express. Third one. Rest of the problem you can solve, do it. Okay. Third one. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Okay. First, we have to remember that 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 100 centimeter. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? 1/100 as I showed in the previous one. Then 5 centimeter is equal to 5/100. Then how you will write this one? 0.05 meter. Next, meter ಗೆ express ಮಾಡಿದಾಯಿತು. Next we have to express in the kilometer also. Then 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? Then I showed you 0.05 meter ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಗ ನೀನು ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 0.05 divided by 1000. Then what you will write? 0.00005 kilometer. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Then another one problem is there. You can solve it. Next, fourth one. Express in kg. That is first one. 200 grams. How you will show this one? Say, we know that 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay. Then 200 grams is equal to 200 by 1000. Isn't it? Then you can cancel out the zeros here itself. Then you will get 2 by 10. That means if you divide the 2 by 10 means what you will get? 0.2 kg. Understood? Then the second one I will show you. 3470 grams. Then 3470 divided by 1000. 1000 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 kg. ಓಕೆನಾ? 3000. 3 kg 470 grams ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then how you will write this one? 3.470 kg. Okay, understood this one? This one is, it will become 470 by 1000, that is 0.470. Like that also you can write it. Understood? Next one, fifth main I will show you. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Please keep open your textbook while seeing the videos. Okay. First one, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. How you will expand this one? That is, I will show the solution. 2. 2 is in which place? Tens place. 0 is in ones place. That is, you can write is 2 into 10. Okay. Plus 0 into 1. That means 0 is in the ones place. Next, plus 0 into, this one is in the tenths place. I explained you previous itself. That is, it can written as 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. This one is in the 100th place. Okay. Then you can write like this. Next, I will show you the second one. That is 2.034. Okay, how we will write 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. 4 into 1 by 1000. Okay, you can write like this. This one is the expanded form of the decimals. Next, which main? The sixth main is there, that is write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. This one is the sixth main. First question, 2.56. 2 is in which place? That is ones place. Okay, next, in 21.37, here 2 is in which place? Tens place. Next, third one, I will show you the fifth one, that is 63.352. Here 2 is in the which place? Thousandth place. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Remaining 2 are there, you can solve it. Next, I will show you the seventh one. Dinesh went from a place A to B, that is A to B, and from then there to A to place B, and from there to place C. Okay, then A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Okay na, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 7.5 km, B ಇಂದ C ಗೆ 12.7 cm. Okay na. Next, Ayub went from A to D and from their place C. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ from Ayub ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Went from place A to place D. A ಇಂದ D ಬರ್ತಾನೆ and from their ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 9.3 ದೆನ್ 11.8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 7.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 12.7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೂ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೌ ಮಚ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿನೇಶ್ is equal to AB plus BC. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಹೋದ, ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಸಿ ಬಂದ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 7.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ 12.7. then you have to add up these two. You are going to get the answer as 20.2 kilometer. Then distance traveled by the Dinesh is, therefore distance traveled is equal to 20.2 kilometer. Okay, next, distance traveled by Ayub which is equal to AD plus DC, which is equal to 9.3 plus 11.8, what they have given in the question itself. If I add both this number, I am going to get 21.1 kilometer. Then Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometer. Then who traveled more? By seeing these two, you can conclude that Ayub traveled more. By how much? I don't know. First I have to subtract it. Clearly, Ayub traveled more distance by 21.1 minus 20.2, which is equal to 0.9 kilometer. Then Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Understood? Is it clear? Then the last one, ninth one, seventh one, eighth one, you can solve it. And then the ninth one I will. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? Simple, that you have to subtract the both the numbers. That is solution I will show you. 42.6 kilometer minus 28.0 kilometer. Okay, 6 taking by row. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 14.6. that is 14.6 kilometer less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. Okay, this ends your exercise 2.5, and then in my next class I will show you 2.6. Thank you.